Hi everyone! This is my room tour video of the Venetian resort in Las Vegas, where I stayed for a week in May 2024. This room is located in the Venetian Tower. I actually stayed in two different rooms, but they all looked the same. My room had two queen beds and was huge for me. The room also features a sunken living room. Being here for work, I appreciated the comfortable desk and the convenient USB power for keeping my devices charged. The room also offered some great amenities. The wardrobe had comfy robes and even some smaller hangers that were perfect for hanging up my dresses. And they even had slippers. I didn't use them, but it's a nice touch for those who like them. There was also a big safe located in the wardrobe for extra security. One thing you will not get in this room is a kettle and a coffee maker. Alright, let's move on to the bathroom. This bathroom is really nice too. There is plenty of counter space, which is great for getting ready, and plenty of mirrors everywhere. They even have a dedicated makeup station. And the best part, you get both a shower and a bathtub, perfect for relaxing after a long day. For added privacy, the toilet is located in a separate room within the bathroom. And these are the amenities that you can find in the bathroom.